Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off guys Samsung phone guys dialing keypad sound means guys phone dial pad tone guys how can we off it in this video fans I am going to show you guys. So before starting video fan first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So as you can see guys your Samsung phone guys this dialing keypad sound. So guys you don't like guys you want to off it, so fan, how can you off it today fans I will show you guys. Open your sound and vibration setting guys, and when scroll it fans click on system sound, and guys you can see this dialing keypad guys we will off from here. Fans you can see guys your phone dialing keypad guys. So as you can see guys your dialing keypad is off guys. You can see we can enter number without this dialing keypad sound. So like that guys you can turn off guys your Samsung phone dialing keypad sound means guys your dial pad tone guys you can off from your sound and vibration settings. So that's all guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Friend, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your system sound setting guys? You can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.